File names like DSC_2480 or IMG_1218 sound neither nice nor informative, and they certainly don't help you develop a great overview or filing system. It is a well-known fact that it requires a clever and logical naming system to maintain control, especially over a larger amount of pictures. The first step, of course, is a clear file name. It helps you find the correct image faster when listing file names and dealing with file paths. It also makes for easier and more accurate searches when using your operating system's search functions. Amidst an ever-growing sea of images, lengthy searches will be history. To make sure that renaming thousands of files doesn't turn into torture, we have created Sort and Rename. Sort and Rename is the most flexible solution for renaming files. You can use individual text, numbers in any intervals, and parts of the original file names along with dates and EXIF tags such as the shooting date, aperture, and shutter speed. In addition, you can also correct varying spellings of the same file extensions and replace individual letters or character strings. If you have created your own pattern, you can simply save it as a preset and use across all platforms. Now let's get down to business. You can either open files by clicking on the folder icon or drag and drop them onto the black drop zone in the program window. On the Mac, the program icon itself even accepts drag and drop. The files are then shown as a list as well as thumbnails. The current file names appear on the left list and the altered names on the right side. You have various options to sort the list. You can even just drag and drop the thumbnails into the order you desire. This makes it easy to bring your best pictures to the front and give them new numbers when you present them to customers, for example. If you have several pictures of the same event taken with different cameras, you can simply sort them by shooting date and then rename them according to a correct timeline. Of course, this only makes sense if the new file name contains a consecutive number. To start the numbering, you can begin with any number containing any number of digits, and you can define in which intervals the counting continues. Additional text blocks can be added in this text field. In addition, you can find many options for the new file name via the drop-down menus. The most common fill characters can be added by using shortcuts on your keyboard. If you have made a mistake in your order, you can easily just sort the individual blocks via drag and drop. To exclude certain blocks, you can just drag them out of the window again. By double-clicking on a specific block, you can also change the corresponding text field. Saving a preset files the entire composition of all blocks in the preset window, from which they can be opened again very quickly. If necessary, you can quickly adjust text blocks and immediately start renaming. If you were overly hasty renaming files, you can simply click on Undo to revert your changes. If you use date and EXIF tags in your file names, you will find the various viewing options of great help to you. Along with defining the separating character and the decimal places, you can also define if you want to automatically delete any excess zeros that come after the separating character. Have fun renaming and even more fun finding your images in files quickly.